welcome to Best Night in Fayetteville, North Carolina. A pleasing, laid-back place for relaxation near the best attractions, just east of the Cape Fear River. Our Best Night in Fayetteville I-95 hotel offers easy access to Fort Bragg and nearby attractions. The historic downtown area is home to a variety of quaint shops and local restaurants. From our hotel, you can visit the campuses of nearby Fayetteville State University and Methodist University, or drive to Pope Air Force Base, Fayetteville Regional Airport, and Raleigh-Durham International Airport. Nearby attractions include Cross Creek Mall, Fort Bragg, Cape Fear Valley Medical Center, Airborne and Special Ops Museum. Our goal is to make your stay in this area as pleasant as possible in a casual, friendly environment. Book now. The best rates and availability are here. This is the perfect place to stay for business or pleasure travelers with ample amenities and a convenient location. bestnightin.com